Hi there, Mrs. Ehlke here. Today I am drawing with
Olivia.
Olivia, who is 8 years old and in 2nd grade. And one of Olivia's favorite things is
Squishmallows.
Squishmallows. She was just at the store with me like 30 minutes ago saying that I needed to buy her more Squishmallows because she likes them so much. What kind of Squishmallows do you have right now in your room?
I have a dog or wolf, and its name is Oakley.
Okay. Wolf named Oakley. Is that your favorite one?
Mm-hmm.
Well, today we did not do a wolf Squishmallow. Instead, we did a cow. You want to show them? Bam! Here are our cow Squishmallows. Aren't they adorable? And notice we did not use normal cow colors, but not a big deal. You can have fun with this. So if you would like to draw a cow Squishmallow with us, please do. They are super fun to do, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching and enjoy! To begin, we are going to do the main body outline of the Squishmallow. And most Squishmallows actually have the same outline. But I'm going to start with a line in the middle top of my paper, like this. And I'm going to start with a line on the bottom of my paper, like this. And then I want to do a line on the left of my paper like this. Go a little wider, look out here. Yep. And then a line on the right of my paper like this. Okay. Now I want to start by connecting these two lines to the bottom, and I'm doing it with a little bit of a curve. Squishmallows are squishy. They don't have hard lines at all. There's no points. So I want to try to make sure that instead of having a sharp point on my corners, that I have a rounded point. Now this cow that we're doing has these cute little horns popping up. So we want to make sure to include those too. So I'm going to just make this a little bit wider on the top, and then I'm going to put a little bump like this on either side. It's just a little hook before I connect the rest of my Squishmallow like this. And those little hooks are going to turn into Squishmallow horns. Yep. Good. Now we got to make it look like a cow. So I'm going to go ahead and draw the horns first. They're these just cute little horns that are kind of popping up. And you can see we've got little Squishmallow stickers that we're looking at to make the cows. And then I'm going to make little ears coming off right next to the horns, like this. And if you want to, you can even do like a little outline so that we can paint or color the inside of the ears too. So I like to do 2 lines, one inside of each ear as well. All right, now right kind of in the middle here, I'm going to make the cow's nose, and it's just kind of an oval shape. So I'm going to go ahead and just do that in the middle. And then it has 2 like comma looking shapes. So you can start off with 2 circles like this. And then you add little hooks on the outside of each of the circles, kind of like you would a comma. And then I'm going to add a patch like that. And your patches don't have to be in the same place as mine. You could do lots of different patches. Cows, of course, can have patches pretty much anywhere. And then the eyes. Now, you could do the eyes black like the stickers. I'm going to draw the eyes. They're kind of out here on the sides. I'm going to draw the circles, but then I like to have a little highlight inside of the eye. So when I color them in, I want to leave a little spot white without coloring it in with the black. So I'm going to make another kind of oval inside like this, kind of towards the top of the eye. And then I'm going to color everything else in with the black. And I'm going to leave that oval white so it looks like there's a little highlight in my Squishmallow's eye. You could even do 2 highlights if you wanted, but we're just going to do 1. That makes it kind of more alive, come to life. Maybe the Squishmallows will just hop right off our paper and come give us a big hug. What do you think? Maybe? All right, there's the basic drawing of a Squishmallow. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some color. And as you can see, mine is kind of a more normal color with the tans and the browns, where Olivia's got a turquoise one. Do it whatever color you'd like. Have fun with it. We're gonna put our markers down and start by adding some color. I think I'm gonna start with pink to do the inside of the ears and the nose. What color are you gonna start with, Olivia?
I'm gonna do turquoise.
Turquoise. I think I might make my cow purple. You ever seen a purple cow? I have some cow jokes for you. You want to hear some cow jokes, Olivia?
Yeah.
What do you call a cow who just had a calf?
Cow.
Decaffeinated. What do you call a cow with no legs?
Coof.
Nope, ground beef. You get it?
No.
That's like the meat that you buy at the store. I have another question. What color is a cow who gives strawberry milk?
Brown.
Cows don't give strawberry milk. They only give white milk. What about chocolate milk? Do brown cows give chocolate milk?
No.
No, just white milk. You gotta add the chocolate later. All right, there's my pink. Like I said, I think I want to make my cow purple and white, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some purple. Olivia and I are gonna keep coloring. We'll get back when we are farther along.
Bye, guys.
Olivia and I have added the basic color for our cow, but I wanted to show you how we could add a little bit of shading. So we have kind of a silver or a gray color. You could even just do this with a regular pencil. And I'm gonna start by going right next to my line on the outside. I'm pressing kind of soft, and I'm just gonna color right next to my line, just like that. And as I come in towards the middle of the cow, I'm gonna press lighter and lighter and lighter until my gray disappears into the white. So this is a nice way to add some shading. I press really hard right next to the black line, and then as I get farther away from the black line, I get a little bit lighter and lighter and lighter to kind of blend it out towards the white. And that makes our cow look not quite as flat, it gives a little bit more rounded. You can see I did this with my purple too. In my purple section, I pushed really hard towards the edge, and then I'm pressing lighter as I get towards the middle. So I'm gonna just add a little bit of shading around the outside edges of my cow. And Olivia's doing that on hers too. Okay, get your cow over there. There we go. So that we can add just a little bit of shading, detail to our cow pictures. Our Squishmallow cows. Olivia, did you know that I once had a cow?
Didn't you live at a farm?
No, but, well, yeah, I lived on a farm too with cows, but no, this was like a cow that we owned when I lived in Arizona. And do you know what I named my cow?
Piggy.
Nope, Daisy. Do you think that's a good cow name? Daisy?
Yeah.
Yeah, so. All right, so I can add that there. You can also do a little bit on the ears too. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit of gray on the outside edge of the ears, just to make them look like they are a little bit more shaded in and not just perfectly bright white. Well, Olivia's adding another detail. She decided to give her cow a little bow. Cuteness. I'm liking it. All right, we hope you enjoyed doing the Squishmallow Cow with us and that you come check out our channel, Ehlke Art, for more fun art tutorials. Anything else, Olivia?
Nope.
If they like the video, what should they do?
Subscribe.
Subscribe down below. Thanks, guys.
Bye.